Okay, so we are done building the website pages. What is left is for us to build the header and the footer. So we are going to be building a website header that is like this, and a footer section that is like this. So watch out, stay tuned. Currently, see what our header looks like. Just looking so unprofessional, and we don't even have a footer. So we have to build this, because these two aspects of a website makes a website very classic, and it enhances the design of the website. So to do that, from our website, you click here, the customize button above here, you click on it, and this opens up. So from here, you can guess already, we'll click header, and this opens up. So this is where we edit the header section. So if you notice here, the header here is black. The canvas is black. So let's try to do it on our website. Let's try to make this black. To do that, you notice the website and the logo, the side logo is supposed to be here, and the primary menu is here. This is the primary menu, and later on we're going to place our logo here. So let's first of all try to make this dark. To do that, you come here. The header is divided into 3 sections, so we can add some things here. We can decide to add some things down here, but for the purpose of this video, let's just work with this column, with this row, sorry. So to make this darker, you click on this setting icon here, and you come on that design. We can influence the height or the visibility of this particular row. That means if I don't want it to be visible, I'll just toggle this. It will not be visible. You see, it has disappeared, and if I toggle it on, it comes back. And I can influence the height. I can make it should be long. You understand? So all these are just some basic things you should know. Let me put it back to the 80. To make the background black, we just have to come under the design, and it's very explicit and well spelled out. Background, you just come under background, you change the white color into the black color that we want. So just like that, it's all good. And when you turn it black, you publish. After publishing, if you come back here and refresh, you see you turn black. Okay, so to make this text, this primary menu, in order for the primary menu to be visible, that is stand out, we have to change the color. So to do that, we come back here, still here, we click on the primary menu like this, and this similar panel opens up. Here we can change the color of the text, the primary color, the primary menu text. We can change the color. So to do that, we go under the design tab, and we scroll down to the text or link color, and where we have black, we turn it to white, and you see what happens. The color here becomes visible, and when we hover, here is the hover color, and here is the active color. That means when we hover on this, we'll be seeing blue, and when this page is clicked, it will be blue. So that's what this means. Let me just publish, and if I come back here and refresh, everything will be cool like this. You see, as we hover, it turns blue, and if I click on this, see, the active page is blue. You understand? So what I'm going to do next is to add this logo. This is a very important phase. Please stay focused. So to add the logo is very easy. All you have to do is click on this site title and logo here, and this opens up. You select your logo. You must have uploaded your logo picture or whatever. This one, the smallest one, because you have to crop. So you select the original logo picture like this, and you crop to the best possible way you can. You crop like this, and you crop like this and like this, and try to crop to the best way you can. And once you click this button down here, it's gonna load and you realize it appears now here. So from here you just publish to save it, and that's all. For your site title, like this alpha wall, this is it here. This is how you edit it. You just edit it here. Like currently, look at the site title is alpha wall dot. Look at this is it here. The tagline, this thing that shows after the hyphen, the tagline, this is where you edit the tagline. So I would just maintain this one because it's okay. I'll just maintain this, and once you're done, already publish. Always ensure you publish, and that is all for header. If I come back here and refresh, you will notice everything is smooth and looks professional, as you can see. Alright, so we're going to continue with the footer section. We're going to be building a footer section like this. Very simple and classic. So currently this is what we have as footer on our website. Just this. See how unprofessional it is. So let's proceed. The process is similar with that of the header. You just click this customize button and you're going to be redirected here. So from here you select footer like this, and this same panel similar with that of the header opens up. From here, the first thing to do, since the footer section we want it needs 3 columns, that is 1, 2, 3 columns. But if you notice here we have just 1, 2 columns, so we have to make it 3 columns. And to do that, you click this setting icon here and you select 3. After selecting, you publish. The next thing to do is to add the widget for each of these content to that footer section. And to do that, you just click the plus icon like this, you select the widget. Let's start with widget 1. You click the next column, you select widget 2, and the next column you select widget 3, and you publish. So basically we are putting this widget here so that in the next, or probably some time to come, we are to edit the widget and put contents in it. Let me save and show you what the website looks like right now. So see how it looks like right now without contents added into it, just the empty widgets and stuff. So let's proceed. To add contents now, we click on the widget. We click on the widget like this, and this opens up. We click the add block button, this plus icon, and this opens up. We select, for the first widget we need a heading and a paragraph, so I'll add the heading widget and the paragraph widget. For the next widget we need a heading and a menu, so I'll just go ahead and search for the menu widget. I'll add the block, and here I'll search for menu, this navigation menu. So this opens up, so I'll just give it a title menu, and I'll select you remember the menu I created, right? Navbar. I'll just select it like this and I publish. So we have inserted the widgets for widget 1, inserted the widgets for widget 2, and the last one, widget 3. For widget 3 we need a heading and a paragraph, so I'll just click on it, add the heading widget, and I'll add the paragraph widget, and I publish. So let's add contents now into these various widgets. So for widget 1 we need the heading will be this, so let me just copy and paste. For widget 1 the heading will be time and style, like this. let me just paste, and the content or the paragraph will be this. Let me copy and paste like this, just paste like that. We have already done this for widget 2. We have set the contents for widget 2. For widget 3, just similar to widget 1, you input the title and you input the paragraph. So once you're done, you publish. As simple as that. The next thing we want to do is to give it a background color that is similar to this, that is something dark blue. So to do that, you select this icon, you come on that design, another background, you change it from white to the color you want. So let's choose a color. I want a color almost dark blue, sorry. So I think let's work with this one. Yeah, let's work with this one. So I think from here you're already seeing the beauty, you're seeing the design coming out already, and I've published. So if I refresh, this is what you're gonna see. You get. So let's continue designing. Now we have this section, this copyright section. What we want to do here, we want it to be similar to this. We want the design to be like this. So I will click to edit it. To edit the content, you click on the copyright, and let's delete this Astra theme and replace it with this. Let's replace it with all. Let me copy and paste, sorry. All rights reserved. Okay, let's go. So let me just paste, and it pops up here automatically. So let's bold it, let's bold everything. Okay, let's make now the site title to be red, like this one. So we are going to select, you select just the site title. I'm going to select just the site title, and you change the color to red, just like that. The next thing we need to do is to change the background, give it a similar color like the first section. So we just do the same thing. We click on this icon, come on that design, and we give it a background color of something similar. It's gonna be difficult to pick, but let me just, the main thing is to get the idea, but let me just go with this one. After that, we have to make this text visible. That means we have to change the black color to white color. So we come back on content, we click on copyright, and we select everything and make it white. Then we change the site title back there to red color, like that, and we publish. So if I go back to the site and refresh, you should see everything good now, as easy as this. And just like this, we are able to build a website.